Hi, you're welcome once again to my math friend. This is your favorite math educational channel. In today's lesson, as was notified in the previous lesson, we are going to look at multiplying sets. Multiplying sets. We're doing this in two parts. So we're looking at part one here. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and hit the notification button for more of this. Please like and share for others to to benefit from this. Good. Now we have root 2 times root 4 and the other examples. Before you multiply, there's a rule that guides multiplication of sets. The rule says that root A times root B is equal to all of them in one root, A times B, like this. So you have two separate um, roots multiplying themselves. What happens is that they all come under one root, one umbrella. Very good. So let's look at how it is, how we can multiply these examples following this very rule. Now, realize that 2 is simplified, it's not a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square. So because 4 is a perfect square, we first find its root. Square root of 4, so we have root 2 here. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is a whole number. It comes outside before the root. So we have 2 root 2. It means 2 multiplied by root 2. Good. I trust you understand. Good. Let's look at the second example. Then I'll leave the third one for you to solve. With the second example, 8 and 3 are not perfect squares. They are not perfect squares. So what do you do in this very instance? We follow this rule. Bring all of them under one umbrella because we are multiplying under one root. So we have square root of 3 times 8. 8 is what? 24. Now, is this simplified? You see, when you're multiplying, you should always simplify, leave it in its simplified form. So 24 is not simplified. So let's look at how we can do that. Remember in the previous videos, we talked about how to simplify sets. So let's pick two factors of 24, where one of the factors is a perfect square. Good. Okay, 3 times 8 and more. Now, over here, we'll choose 4 by 6. Why? Because 4 is a perfect square, which replaces the 24. Good. Square root of 4 is what? It's 2. Good. So 2, then root 6. Good. So this is how to multiply these sets and leaving it in its simplest form. Very well. I trust that you understand it. That is how we go about our lessons. Very simple, well explained, so that you can solve the example 3 on your own. Leave the answer in the comment section and then I'll check it out for you. Bye.